The crisis has affected women and men differently. If we speak about paid employment, men have lost more jobs than women, and unemployment has increased more among men than among women. But the starting point was very unequal. Greece was the country in the European Union with the greatest gender gap in employment rates. So the crisis has narrowed this gender gap, but this gender gap remains the largest, still remains the largest in the European Union. The same is true for unemployment rates. Before the crisis, the gender gap in unemployment rates was the greatest in the European Union. It has shrunk during the crisis because of the deterioration of men's situation more than women's situation. So the equalization has proceeded through a deterioration of the situation of both women and men. This is not good news for equality. The public sector is the biggest employer for women graduates. So women graduates have less opportunities than their male counterparts in finding jobs. And this is because of the public sector, which is now hiring very, very small numbers of personnel because of the strict hiring rules imposed by the Troika. In Greece, we have had 3 economic adjustment programs which have imposed fiscal consolidation and wage devaluation in the Greek economy and have caused a very important fall in the GDP and in employment. So this fiscal consolidation has affected largely the public sector, and the public sector, as I said before, was the provider of a great number of good jobs for women.